Kenny Bell is one happy man.
So I'm really glad the gym's open again.
That's because he's now able to get back to his workout routine at the Bower Drive Recreation Center.
To be able to get in here, feel like you're being back in life again, to be honest with you, to be back in life, because you feel like you're all out there in left field somewhere. So it feels great.
Hello.
After almost a year, 8 county recreation centers are now open.
You're Henry? All right, Henry, you're good.
On a limited basis to host children and adults for working out and small instructor-led sessions for basketball, pickleball, fitness, and boxing.
It's awesome for us. I mean, for our staff who have worked so hard during this closure period of the pandemic. Even though we've been closed, they're still working, but in other areas. They've been doing elections and health and human service testing and vaccine. For them, it's getting back to the mission of what we do and why they became rec specialists, is to provide access to fitness and wellness and some social engagement for our residents. So we're excited about being able to get back to some level of normalcy.
The community recreation centers that are open are Bower Drive, Damascus, Nancy H. Dasick, North Potomac, Jane E. Lawton, Plumgar, Potomac, Praisner, and White Oak.
The opening of these 8 facilities is so significant, both because it's going to help the residents to be able to actively participate in really important, fun, and prevention-based programs that improve health and wellness. And I think for those folks participating in those programs, it's going to help with mental health and wellness, as well as physical mental health and wellness. Because as we know, the pandemic has so disproportionately impacted our most vulnerable populations.
At the Bower Drive Center,
you're gonna smack the ball.
The familiar sounds of kids playing and sneakers squeaking are back. Corey runs the Kid Fit 101 class at the center.
So this is Kid Fit 101. This is an awesome physical fitness program for kids. Just something that's structured to keep the kids active and to most importantly, to keep the kids having fun. So that's what it's all about.
Yeah. Tell me what the best thing is about being here.
The best thing about being here is for the exercise.
Oh, and what about you?
Having fun.
Having fun, I love it. And what about you?
Exercising and having fun. It's really fun.
Masks must be worn at all times when participating in the programs at the facilities, and appointments are required for those who are not participating in a class.
We had a team that really worked collectively together to look at all the spaces that we wanted to use and identify the buildings. And we worked really hard with Health and Human Services and their team, as well as the CDC guidelines, to really come up with protocols. We did a complete couple of days of training and walkthrough just so staff felt comfortable with it. And we have a really good plan in place, and we're excited to be back and getting back to what we do.
Though he prefers to work out twice a day, Kenny is just happy to be able to get out for a little gym time. He comes to Bower Drive 4 times a week now, and it's not just for his physical health.
Physical means everything to the mental. It means everything. Because when you're dormant, you're not doing anything, your mind wanders, it's weak. You get out here and you start lifting weights and you feel good about yourself, the excitement level comes back up in your life, that's all.
Residents will need a Fit and Play Pass to reserve a fitness room for gym activities. Visit the county's recreation website to get yours. Reporting from Rockville, I'm Susan Kenedy.